Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are connected with me from. Today is 19th of November. We have been waiting for today to come. A lot of us in the financial market. So if you have been following the market, you would know that something was actually cooking up for today. And of course, since the first day of November, it has been consistent earnings report of different companies, both in Canadian stock, UK stocks, United States stocks, Chinese stock. Many of these big tech companies and even penny stocks have been giving out their earning report, and today is the D-Day, because after today the next earning report we are going to be focusing on is Broadcom, yes, which will come in December, sorry. So but today, 19th of November, we are expecting the biggest company in the world today, based on market cap, the biggest valuable company, that is NVDA, which is sitting at $4.4 trillion market cap today. It has beat the market, beat Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, and the rest. So what is the expectation? What is the consensus expectation of the earning per share of this company? That is the EPS. Everyone is expecting NVIDIA to hit 1.26 as against the previous quarter where it listed 1.5 and all that, 1.05, yes. So this is NVIDIA, and then I'm going to be analyzing NVIDIA. Let's see what the future holds for this company. If you have not bought NVIDIA at this moment, I think you should prepare yourself right now to step into the market, or wait immediately after the earning report, which is Thursday, because NVIDIA's earning report is going to come after the market close. It is not coming before. That is pre-market. It is after the market close. That's when it's going to start the earning report. So let me check the forecasts, because we need to know the position of NVIDIA currently and know where it's going. So this is the forecast, and the forecast is already telling us to buy. We have about 53 analysts giving their support for NVIDIA to be bought strongly. So there is a lot of opportunity waiting for this company. And if I were you, that you want to invest $5 million, 5 million naira, 2 million naira, 10 million, 50 million, 100 million that you want to invest, I think NVIDIA is one valuable company that you need to invest in. Not just because of the number, not just because of the valuation, but because of the structure and the fundamentals of this particular company. We don't buy based on number. We don't buy based on just the emotional expression of different persons, but we buy based on the fundamentals of the company. Buying good company at a good price is always awesome. So if analysts, 53 analysts giving me this kind of go ahead to pick up this particular company, I don't need to waste time to buy this company. I already have it in my radar. I'm already making profit, but I still want to buy more. Yes, I have NVIDIA over 12 units of NVIDIA, so I'm going to be buying more of it. And so you too, go ahead and make sure you get it to your radar. Now, why is the market so juicy for value investors? You can see the fear and greed index already showing extreme fear in the market. There is a lot of fear. Investors are beginning to be skeptical this moment. Many of them are pulling out their money. They are scared of what the market is going to hold. However, this is when we apply the Warren Buffett value investing method in buying. When the streets are bloody, that is when we enter the market to eat, not just when it is juicy, because this time give you that opportunity to buy valuable company at a very cheaper prices. and then when they return back normal, you would have made huge amount of money, because as from December, January, February, stock prices are going to skyrocket. So let me also make a further analysis on this. I'm going to be using my market beat. To do this analysis and also see what the consensus forecast would show us. So while this is loading, I will also want us to see most of the opportunities that come with this NVDA. Yes, a lot of opportunities that come with it, which are not just only the numbers, but based on you can see what is expected. A lot of persons, this is 126 expected. This is 1.26 the expected earnings EPS, and the previous one was 1.01. you see. So it is actually, you can also see what the first was 0.74. So NVIDIA has always surpassed the expectation of whatever analyst projects for it. You can see the numbers, you can always see it. These are expected, and you can see it surprises the market. So I'm expecting NVIDIA as well to surprise the Wall Street analysts in this particular earning report today, because once NVIDIA's position is well structured and it beats the market, it's going to pull up every other stock prices, especially the stock or the companies in AI and semiconductor. All these are going to see significant upside, and this is it, and we're expecting it to hit this 1.26. I'm expecting that to come forth. So for this NVIDIA, yes, so my network is a little bit slow, so you can see the chart. Yes, the chart is actually showing a lot of red in the streets, and so I'll check the forecast. Awesome. You see where the NVIDIA is expected. This is the consensus price target for NVIDIA, $240.49, and this is the current price, $181. So this consensus give a lot of upside, and also a lot of confidence for stock investors to be able to focus on what is coming. And so I wouldn't want to relax. This is it, the strong buy 555. You see, these are what I always tell my investors, especially now. So if you are just starting, your opportunity is very, very high. If you are just starting, your opportunity is very, very high. And because if you check the past experience or past performance of this company, you can see just 1 year ago, you can see where it was, and the upside has always been this is it, and now the upside currently, the forecast upside, 32.60% upside. NVIDIA surpassed this 21 point, and now this is expected. And so every one of us are already optimistic about this particular company, and I can't just wait for it to release the earning report. And once that happened tonight by 10:30 p.m., we'll be expecting this earning report, and I also want to be part of it. I've already sent my call so that I'll be able to listen to the earning report call and see what NVIDIA holds for us. And again, if you go ahead to read about NVIDIA, you see what they are actually investing on, and a lot of investment coming up in the data center build up, and many partnership both for Amazon, Apple, OpenAI. A lot of them even they call with. These are companies that we look up to make sure that we buy the right stock. So for you who is already planning to invest, I'll just go ahead and add this particular company on your radar and make sure you are buying rightly. Don't forget, if today is just the first time you're coming across my YouTube channel, do well to subscribe, because I will be guiding you through, giving you a lot of stock to buy, the ones to sell, the ones to hold, and the ones to trade on, and help you to also manage your portfolio where you will be able to make a lot of money. It's always good to follow the right path, because this is your money. You don't need to joke with it. Again, 2026 is coming. We're already setting up our 50k challenge, our 50k portfolio challenge. So if you have $5,000 in your portfolio, $10,000, we want to build it to $50,000. So everyone, get ready. This particular video is so valuable to you and you have gained a lot of insight. Don't forget to watch the next one. Like and subscribe or share. And if you have made money in any of the stock I've listed, in any of the stock that I analyzed, let me see that in the comment section. See you in the next video.